will learn about the layers of the Earth.
Yeah!
The layers of the Earth! Then we will start with the crust. Part of the crust is made up by the lithosphere. The lithosphere and the crust are both solids. There are two types of crust.
Whatever could they be?
Oceanic and continental crust.
What's the next layer of the Earth?
The next layer is the photosphere.
Is that a solid too?
Of course, William, is plasticity, or semi-liquid. Duh.
My bad.
Spheres with convection currents happen. Well, anyway, the asthenosphere. After that comes the mantle. Does anyone here know anything about the mantle?
The mantle accounts for the majority of the volume of the Earth and is a solid. However, the mantle's mass is small compared to its massive volume.
As we go deeper into the layers of the Earth, temperature and pressure increase. But last but not least comes the core. It's divided into two sections, the inner core and the outer core.
William, the outer core! I can drink the outer core!
In technicality, you can, but I wouldn't advise it.
I can eat the inner core! The inner core!
Right again, since the inner core is a solid, but it wouldn't taste very good. But teacher, Charlie, if we have never been to the core, how do we know that it is a solid or a liquid?
That's actually a very, very good question. Well, there are these things called seismic waves, and that scientists can detect using things called seismographs. And there are two types of seismic waves, P waves and S waves. And these seismic waves are created by earthquakes. Scientists have found that S waves cannot travel through liquid. That means, while P waves can. By observing the fact that there are no S waves in the core, scientists can infer that the outer core is liquid.
One thing I know about seismic waves is that they refract, or bend, when the density changes. When they refract around a certain area and leave it free of seismic waves, it is called a shadow zone.
Teacher, once I read of a correlation scientist and Rita Milhovarovich discovered a pair of certain densities between the crust and the metal where seismic waves suddenly speed up. It's called the Moho. The limit of x is it nearest 1 is 2.
Alright, Speedy Gonzalez, alright. You're right. Well, that's got to be now. Alright, class, that concludes class for today.